Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you blanket stitch in triples to put on the edges. I am using a blunt tip needle with all 6 strands of thread. Put a knot at the tip of the thread. Start at the corner of the fabric. And put a blanket stitch. Always the thread below the needle. Once again at the same point, insert the needle and put another blanket stitch thread below the needle. At 1 centimeter gap, put the next blanket stitch. Insert the needle at 1 centimeter gap, the thread below the needle and pull. Again, insert the needle at the same point, thread below the needle and pull the thread. Once again, insert the needle at the same point, thread below the needle and pull over. And so we make 3 blanket stitches at one point. We will continue the stitches. At 1 centimeter gap, we insert the needle, the thread below the needle and pull to make the first blanket stitch. Once again, insert the needle at the same point. Take care that your thread comes at the same point on the back side also. Thread below the needle and pull. We have finished the second stitch. Again, insert at the same point and take it back at the same point. The thread should be below the needle and pull and finish the third stitch. This stitch can be used in the edges of dupatta, handkerchief and pillow covers. I hope now you can understand the stitch clearly. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have given the related stitches links in the description. You can go to those links and learn the other hand embroidering stitches. When the thread is finished, you just pass the needle at the same point inside the pillow cover. Turn the side and remove the needle. Now attach another thread to this. Make few knots and cut the extra thread. Again, pass the needle at the same point and take it out. Pass the needle through the last stitch once and then we can continue the stitches. And this is the back view of the stitch. It will be the same as that of the front view. Thank you.